In this video, I'm going to show you how to get rid of pixels in Eclipse Studio Paint. So if by pixels you mean this, if I select this pen tool for example, and if I just go ahead and basically draw a line here, as you can see it's very pixely and it's not very smooth. So there's two fixes for this I'm going to show you right now, with the first one being the following. You want to go to your brush, your pen, whatever, and you want to click on this button, which is going to open up the tool settings. Now by default over here, of course you may not be able to see this, so go to window, and in here you'll be able to click on tool settings and it's going to show you the tool settings. Now in here you have anti-aliasing. Okay, so if you do this, if you have it in the most basic version over here, it's gonna be very pixely, but if you put it on strong here, as you can see, your line is gonna be already a bit smoother. Okay, now the second thing you can do is actually use brushes which aren't as pixely. So if I go back here, I have, for example, some brushes like this mapping pen over here, which by default already is much less pixely. Now it's still a bit pixely as you can see here, but it's much better. So if I go back here and for example put it on default, now this is awful, but I can go ahead and put it on strong for example, or maybe even on this medium one, and it's gonna look much better already. So that's the first thing you can do. And then the second one, which I do recommend you do, is to actually change DPI. So let me show you how to do this. Now to change DPI, all you have to do is the following. You want to go to the edit tool up top left here. Then you want to go to change image resolution, and then you want to change this resolution down here from 72, which usually is the default if you haven't changed it while creating your project, to something like 350 or maybe even 600. And if you do this and click on OK, you'll see that it's going to become much bigger, and if I now use this brush here, it's going to be much smoother. Now of course it's going to look much smaller as well, so you may have to adjust the size here as well, but by default as you can see it's looking much smoother, and I have to zoom in much more to actually be able to even see any of these pixels. So that's essentially the best ways to do it, to get rid of pixels. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.